Your revolution start here.
My thanks to Lesitronics for giving me opportunity to learn this new technology. I'm sure this technology is going to stay and it will become a gold standard treatment for piles and fistulas.
It's a magic thing, laser.
Okay.
But my job is to explain that it is nothing magic. It's a science where I'm delivering energy.
This opportunity to learn the proctology work and laser in proctology from the famous senior most surgeon from Calcutta, Dr. Kalyankar, was excellent. He has shared every bit of information and he has given all the details how he has come across the some of the disadvantages to making advantages.
We all people here very much thankful to you, and we have learned much how to deal it. Very simple thing, anybody can do it in the easiest way.
This is a very good learning curve, and starting a new technology is always good, especially for the patients and for the community. We will definitely adopt this technology and see that a lot of patient gets benefited out of it.
He was doing the procedures, really attracted all of us, and we will be going to start the cases at the earliest.
It is an excellent technique. Thanks to Kalyankar sir and Lesitronics.
Actually today I could learn a new technique of lift today. I was not doing a lift procedure. So anyway, I'm looking ahead for a great future with a laser.
Because of this fast food culture and all, we are getting daily so many number of cases even in remote areas. They are all our patients themselves are asking about laser and all. It's very good workshop I attended. I'm definitely interested in buying the equipment also.
The clarity of explaining about the laser and the treatment and the complications, everything are too good.